Hey guys, I'm going to show you my Weebly that I created for this project. I had to make a couple of adjustments to it. As you can see, this is the introduction page. It basically tells the students what they're going to be doing in this project. Basically, it says that they have some tasks to complete. There's also a brief clip over Between Shades of Grey that they can listen to if needed. Then they move on to the task page. This tells them that they must complete all clues in order to reach the final assignment. So they have to go through each mini assignment to get to the final product. The mini assignments are various things like a video, a Lino page they have to go to, that type of thing. So once they're ready to get started, they click on this process tab. And this takes them to the clues. Clue 1 is to watch a book trailer over the book. Clue 2, this is a before reading activity that they are going to use the chart above, and they have to answer each statement with either an A for agree or D for disagree. They have to post the responses on the Class Lino page. This link can be found in Google Classroom if they need it. Clue number 3 is they have to research the political climate in 1944 versus now. And by this time, they've already been assigned a group. So they'll post their findings on a Google document, which will be posted in Google Classroom that is assigned to their particular group. So only the group members can work collaboratively on this. And they will use this in their final presentation. Clue 4 is a double bubble map. This will need to be done on a piece of butcher paper, and they can do it as a group. When they're ready for this task, they will have to let me know. And they're also going to, for this one, compare and contrast the political climate in the United States in 1941 versus now. Then in Clue 5, they have to discuss one of the most critical components of the story. And this will be done on the Class Lino page. There will be a sticky note there that they can post their opinions and how this can be a critical component of the story, and the link for that can also be found in Google Classroom. And then Clue 6, they have to research the author of Between Shades of Grey, and they have to post their findings on their Google Sites webpage. Their Google Sites webpage acts as a blogging tool, so they can go in and create a blog for this particular topic and submit it, and then other members of the class can go in and look at these and post comments. So then they'll post their link to their Google Sites webpage on the class Google form, which is located in their classroom. The final product is a group assignment where they're going to work collaboratively together to complete a presentation on the book and the history that's involved within the book. This can be done on Google Slides, Prezi, and Powtoon, and each member will have to use their information from the clues above to create a presentation that's informative and entertaining. Basically, they will need to choose which type of presentation they want to make. Google Slides, Prezi, and Powtoon are all very different, but they also have some similarities when it comes to the type of presentation, but they have different options like videos and interactive presentations that they can use. So I kind of gave them the option to choose there. After the clues, they need to go up to Evaluation tab. This will be where they'll find their rubric for the presentation as well as a checklist. The checklist kind of guides them through what they'll need for the presentation. So as long as they've checked off all 8 requirements, then they should be fine. Conclusion is a quick survey, and they also need to post their final product in Google Classroom. And we will draw names to determine the order of presentations. Then they'll finish this survey. It's quick and easy, and it kind of lets me know how they liked it. There's also a credits page, and then a more, which is a teacher page, which gives some standards and that type of thing. So that is my web quest for this project, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.